Welcome to Liberty Mazda in Wakefield. We're right off exit 41 on Route 128, just minutes from Boston and the Route 93 connector. At Liberty Mazda, you'll always find something special. Our extensive selection of new and Mazda-certified pre-owned vehicles makes it easy to find an incredible deal on the Mazda you want. We offer a friendly, no-pressure environment designed to make your shopping experience relaxing and enjoyable. And the newly redesigned showroom is both stylish and comfortable, just like our vehicles. When it comes to service, we have you covered with a brand new state-of-the-art facility that offers the best in modern vehicle maintenance and repair. Great convenience, huge selection, low prices. We're Liberty Mazda, where you always get liberty for less.